9 common phrases in Arabic. Mustashfa. Al-Mustashfa Qurb al-Masjid. The hospital is near the mosque. Qasm Shurta. Police station. Aina Qasm Shurta. Maktab Barid. Post office. Hazal Maktabatul Barid Jaidun. Bank. Bank. Al-Bank fi Shari al-Raisi. Supermarket. Supermarket. سأذهب إلى السوبرماركت. مخبز. Bakery. أين المخبز? Where is the bakery? صيدلية. الصيدلية تحت العيادة. The pharmacy is under the clinic. مكتبة. Library. الكتب في المكتبة. The books are in the library. متجر. Shop. من في المتجر? Who is in the shop?